5 Best Portable Air Conditioners. Number 5. The LG LP0817WSR Portable Air Conditioner. Auto Evaporation System. Cools a room up to 150 square foot. House to house or home to work. 15 amp electrical outlet. Up to 1.8 pints per hour dehumidification. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. The WinterArc 143MX. Includes extendable exhaust, fan or dehumidifier, lead-free RoHS compliant components. Washable pre-filter included. Item weight, 79 pounds. Dehumidifying and filtering the ambient air. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. The Black & Decker Pack 10WT. Foot cool all summer long. Faircaster wheels included. Vertical motion creates a steady, fan and dehumidification modes. A manual guide for setup. Enjoy a comfortable home climate. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. The Honeywell MN10SES1. Dehumidification up to 70 pints per 24 hours. With 3-in-1 technology. No drip design, uses auto evaporation system. Full function remote control. Item weight, 61.7 pounds. Digital LCD display with feather touch controls. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. The WinterArc 4TS. Includes extendable exhaust, full thermostatic control. This unit can cool up to 500 square feet. This model has cool function only. With this new eco-friendly CFC-free, the cooling process to produce cool air. Please check the description for detail and price.